of Dabney today, and we are looking at a Moonstone model. And look at this, we got the car and a half garage, and then we've got a full golf cart garage, and this rental actually includes a golf cart, so that's one less thing for you to worry about. The beauty of this house is, look at this beautiful lanai, and looking out onto this beautiful garden area, really private but open. You got a nice breeze coming through, so you can sit out here and have your morning coffee or evening beverage. And you do have access to the golf cart garage from the lanai too. So really great start, really good spot. Just down the road, we've got Franklin Rec Center, which has a family pool, which is fantastic if you've got friends coming over or family coming over. In the guest bathroom, beautiful decorations. Let's see, we got the tub and shower here. So Franklin Rec Center is just up the road. We've got the dog park up the road too. You're only about 12 minutes by golf cart to Sawgrass Grove, where there's all kinds of entertainment and boozy bingo on Monday nights. Full market, everything you can get at Sawgrass. And then a quick run over the Southern Oaks Bridge gets you over to Eastport when it's fully developed. Look at the size of this kitchen. All stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Really sharp. Dining area. And we got this well done living space with fold out love seats and couches, big screen TV. And again, off the side here, you've got this really nice, comfortable space. Nice and quiet. Lots of space for a grill if you want one. So have a look at the guest bedroom. Off to the right of the house is the garage entrance. And then we've got the guest bedroom right in here. Big queen bed. Again, beautiful decorating too. And at the back right of the house, we have the master bedroom. And this Moonstone model really has a nice setup because you've got the split between the master and the guest. Look at this beautiful spot. Big king bed. And then we've got the double sinks. Full walk-in shower. And walk-in closet. So this home is available for short-term rental. Again, we're in the Village of Dabney, real close to the Franklin Rec Center, up the road from Sawgrass. Brand new home, ready for you to come visit and enjoy all that the Villages has to offer. All the information will be in the video to contact the landlord directly, and hope that you've enjoyed the tour.